Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from your Windows PC to your Android device. So, the first thing you want to do is you want to plug your device into your computer. Okay, my device is now connected. So, on your device, you are going to want to bring down your notification bar and tap this notification right here and tap for more options. You're going to want to choose transfer files. Now back on your PC, you are going to want to open File Explorer and choose your device. Mine's called a Moto E5 Play, and I'm going to move it to my SD card. And then you can just drag it or you can copy and paste it. Either way, it will copy and paste it. Now back on your Android, you can go to your storage, and I'm going to my SanDisk card, Rock Hard Rock, and AC/DC. As you can see, all of my files are here, and I can even play them. If you want to transfer files from your Android to your PC, you are of course going to need to know where they are. Or if you want to spend the time, you can go to File Explorer, and you can look for them. Now, as you can see, I have my file right here, so I'm just going to move this to my desktop. And I now have my recording from my phone. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this tutorial helped, and remember to hit that like button to get it out to other people.